Hey loves, if your wardrobe's feeling a bit cluttered or you're struggling to put outfits together, it's probably time for a spring refresh. I've been on my personal style journey now for a couple years, and one thing I've learned is a well-edited wardrobe makes getting dressed so much easier. So today we're doing a full closet edit, decluttering, reorganizing, and just making sure that every piece actually works for my current lifestyle. So if you're ready to refresh your wardrobe for spring, keep watching. The next few months, I'm on a low buy. I would love for it to be the entire year, but girl, that's just me being ambitious. So I'm very, very much being intentional with my wardrobe and actually just spending, right? So that's my motivation behind this declutter. I just using it as a maintenance routine. I don't want it to be an excuse for me to just get one thing out and bring something else in, that one in, one out method. I'm not really trying to look at it that way. I'm looking at it more like an edit and just me maintaining my wardrobe. So let me bring out the items that I'm going to be decluttering. I don't want this video to be one of those ones where I chuck everything. So, and I'll talk you through the process. So let's start with some of the basics. I have a bunch of t-shirts that I just never wear. These are all long sleeve in different colors. I have the, white, pink, navy blue, and green. So they're supposed to be like my basics, but I never wear them because I feel like they make me look a little bit trampy. Apart from this one's actually from River Islands, really nice, but the fabric on here just kind of itches my skin and I don't like how it fits on my body. You just don't like how it feels on your skin. But the rest of them, I feel like they make me look trampy, right? These are just like crew neck, doesn't have any silhouette. I would say it's very cheap. So sticking basic, I have one more, and it's this white t-shirt right here from Uniqlo. This is in fact my third iteration of this t-shirt, and I never really wear it. Why am I getting it so many times? The first time it was stained, I think another time it was shrunk in a machine or something. Some stupidness, right? And I bought it again thinking I need a white t-shirt that's good. And perhaps I do, but this one isn't for me, no matter how much I've tried. And trust me, I have tried. I, for one, don't really like white t-shirt that much, I must say. I would much rather wear something like this. Let me show you. I'd much rather wear like a nice pink t-shirt that is a little bit more slouchy, I think, or even like a graphic tee, something going on here. So if I had a t-shirt, it would be graphic or something slouchy. So the next item I have is this brown dress here. It is a duplicate of my black one. I have a black one that I used to wear a lot and I loved. I even featured in my previous video how to style vests. You can check that video out here. And with the brown one, I just don't wear it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've had it for a couple years. How often do I wear it? Not that much. And yeah, no, I don't really wear that much black. I do still wear black, but just not as often. So I find that I just don't reach for these things anymore. Plus, like I said, I don't like things clinging to me. Like I really don't. This is really short, it's nice. I thrifted this. It's originally from Bershka, and I do like the sleeves, but I actually prefer my dresses to kind of have a little more breathing room. And if I want that kind of sexy appeal, I much prefer have like a low V-neck or maybe like a slit up the thigh. So the next item is this one right here that, girl, it's brand new. It is actually brand new. So I don't know if I should give it a chance. Let me know what you think in a comment. I saw these a lot, like, these knitted tops with off the shoulder. And I saw a lot of people wearing them. And they reminded me of like the 2000s. And I was like, oh, it's coming back in style. Let me grab one. But it just keeps on right up on my damn shoulders. Like, you have to pull down the thing all the time. These are the ones. Let me take it off. So, kind of off the shoulder and you kind of pull them down. I love that sort of, little necklace, yeah, it's nice. But I've had this for a couple months now. It's brand new. I still haven't worn it. So maybe I should put this in the maybe pile. And now spring is approaching. It might be a bit more appropriate to wear this out on its own without like a jacket on top. So maybe I'll hang on to it and see. My recent collab with Styleway, I wanted it to look a lot more oversized like on the model, and it wasn't. Somebody commented to say that I should have sized up like maybe 2, even 3 sizes up, and I think they're definitely right for sure. So I have not worn this once because I just don't like how it fits me, if I'm being completely honest. I actually really like this cardigan. I just don't wear it that much. And so maybe I'm in two minds about this. I've been holding on to this for quite some time. It's originally from River Island and I've had it for a couple of years. I've absolutely loved this throughout the years, but it's just, I rarely ever wear it, and I think maybe it's because of my style that's changing and I just don't know how to fit it in. Okay, so the last two things I have are just some boots. So this one here, ankle boots, I like them. I've had them for years. I just never wear them. Again, I walk a lot these days, especially my lifestyle, and I like to be comfortable, so I do prioritize comfort and style. There's no division here. It's comfort and style. So these are not that comfortable, and I normally wear them in my YouTube videos for like outfit inspo, but I want to wear my things in real life. I don't want to have things just for like YouTube, so there's no point in me hanging on to these. I have for years, and it's time to say goodbye. These ones though are a lot easier to let go. These are from Shein. These are some cream ankle boots. I remember when I really wanted these, I searched for them. These are actually comfortable, but they're just so cheap. They're just so like, when you walk in them, you actually feel like you're walking on the actual ground. Does that make sense? You can probably feel the gravel underneath your feet. Now that I've shown you a few pieces I'm going to declutter, it's time to move on to the exciting part, which is bringing out my spring wardrobe from last year and kind of just sorting through these and also putting away some of my, my winter clothes. Not all of them, because obviously it's still early, it's not quite spring yet, but I like to be ahead, you know what I mean? So I'm going to do that now and kind of take you along on the process. So let's go. One of the things I love about decluttering is really makes you look at what you have. So when you're actually editing your closet, just see what you have that's similar. Like for example, I have 5 different crop jackets. I didn't even know I had that many, and they're all fairly neutral. Like the black leather ones, the one from Cos, and some olive green, and even neutral. Yeah, I have lot of neutral crop jackets. I didn't realize that. So clearly, I don't need any more, and if I do, it will have to be something colorful, fun, and just different. Okay, now that I've taken out some of my spring items, the next step for me is to obviously put away like my winter gear. So we're gonna start off with like my very much the color palette that I wear in the fall, autumn times. So like these items, let me show you. These are very much, I think they're very autumn weather type. So these turtlenecks I'm gonna hang on to just for the meantime, maybe another month or so, and then I'll pack them away. This I'm gonna pack away because it's giving me very festive, Christmassy. So I'm gonna pack this away for now. This one as well, I'm gonna pack away because it's giving me festive. It's very, yeah, it's got lots of like glimmering, shiny stuff. So I thought I could wear it without like the Christmassy, but it's still giving me that time of year. So we're gonna bring this back out in the end of the year. Oh my gosh. Whew, girl. These are all my Christmas gear. I don't even know what to do with them. I'm gonna have to come back to these a bit later. So if you packed away your Christmas stuff, good for you, girl. You're ahead of us. So this is like my shiny Christmas skirt that I haven't really packed away properly, that is. So I'm gonna fold these Christmas bits away. So let's do that now. I also have a lot of like my velvet stuff, like my velvet pants and my velvet suits. Where are they? Guys, girls, my spring wardrobe is looking ready. I love them. I got all the colors out and I am so excited for spring, and I'm so happy I did this cluttering. Yes, the work doesn't really stop here because I still have to go sell some stuff on Vinted and bring some stuff to charity, and it's a whole bunch of work. Decluttering is never really easy, but it does get easier if you stay on top of it. Regardless, I hope I've inspired you to just declutter, be around some stuff in your wardrobe, do your winter to spring swap over, or maybe you do winter to summer. Is that how you do it? Let me know in the comments. Either way, I'm actually so excited to start creating spring content. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know how the decluttering process goes for you in the comments below, and I'll catch you in these videos right here. Bye.